Guys, things are dipping. Time to buy the dip. I am thinking, guys, look at what's going on right now. It's kind of on a crash. Everything's on a dip. And we got some awesome Omicron news, guys. But actually, let's look a little bit at what's going on. Some news, guys. Certain things are a really good buying opportunity. Coinbase, guys, crashing down 6.5%. If you look at Robinhood, guys, low $17. It's almost $17.60. Hit a new time low all the time, man, on Robinhood market. But guys, it might be the opportunity to buy the dip. Buy a little bit more right now. Things crashed. Cryptos, guys, are on a big downtrend right now. Bitcoin is under, it's at 47,000. It's under 50. It's at 47. Ethereum, 3,700. That's a very good price for scoring Ethereum and Bitcoin, really. Dogecoin, scary Dogecoin, man. Low 17 cents on Dogecoin. That's kind of scary. Hopefully, things are about to bounce back up, guys. But I'm seriously thinking, I'm going to show you guys some of the news. And actually, guys, Wall Street rises for the 5th day in a row. So the SP 500 is actually not doing that bad. So this is why I'm thinking it would be a really good idea to buy the dip, because certain things have dipped for the past 2 days, since actually December 23rd. A lot of things have just like been going back down since December 23rd. I'm thinking about dropping $1,000 or two on maybe some cryptos or Robinhood, some of these stocks, guys, that because apparently the news are not that bad. If you look, the SP 500 is doing pretty good, 5th day in a row of rise. It hits a new record high, which is really nice. And guys, the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, on Monday shortened the recommended isolation time for American with cases of COVID-19 to 5 days from the previous guidance of 10 days, so by half, which is good news, guys. Any good news when it comes down to the COVID really helps the stocks. It really helps the stock market. So kind of tells you that the dip that we're seeing in crypto might just be a dip and not a crash. When I mean a dip is we might see a bounce back up very soon and not a crashing for a while. I'm really hoping that that's the case. And this is why, I mean, when you see that some of the big companies, they're holding on very good. And apparently things are going up, even with flights canceling, it's still holding up. Some mega cap companies have roared in the recent rally, with Tesla jumping 0.8% after surging nearly 22% in value over the past 4 sessions. Apple dipped 0.4%, which is not that much, after coming within spiting distance of becoming the first US company to hit $3 trillion. Boeing added 1.9% as Indonesia lifted a ban on the company's 737 MAX. These are companies that Boeing should be affected big time by the Omicron, and it's good to see that they're resisting. They're resisting, and this is why I'm seeing the dips on certain of these stocks. Robinhood, 17.66, 4.2% down. That's a pretty good buying opportunity, and especially it was 4.2% down from a low of 1847, which is already low, which I could already see an easy profit on that. Well, I dropped down an extra 4%. That's an extra 4% that you can make profit on right now. So this is why I'm really thinking of dropping about, I'm thinking about the max that I could put right now without pushing things is $2,000, and I'm thinking of dropping it and even pulling that money back in a couple of days just to make a quick profit, because I don't think things are going to go any lower than that. What do you guys think? Do you guys see Robinhood hitting under $17? Did it ever hit under $17? I don't think it did. Maybe it did. No, it did not. 1708 is the lowest. We're at 1760. 1760. If you look at the opening, I'm not even saying the opening high, but $38 when it opened, you're doubling your money, over double, more than 100% return. If it goes back to what it was at opening IPO price. Coinbase, resist. It needs to resist. My position, guys, my average cost is at 229. 262. I'd like to see Coinbase head towards the 280. That's what I would like to see. I will not be buying more Coinbase. What I'm looking at right now, guys, is I'm looking at Robinhood. And the second thing that I'm really looking at, guys, I'm not looking at DocuSign. I'm already in the profit on DocuSign. I'm happy with my move. I scored at 143 average cost. That's going to be my position for DocuSign. Currently, it crashed 2.5%, 152. I'm gonna hope that it bounces back up with some non-bad news, let's just say that. Hopefully it bounces back up. But what I'm really looking at too is crypto. And I'm not thinking of buying Dogecoin at low 17. What I'm really thinking of is rebuying some more Ethereum or Bitcoin at $3,700. Guys, what would you do? Buy Ethereum at $3,700, buy Bitcoin at $47,000, or would you buy? That's kind of my ultimate question for today. Robinhood at $1,760, or would you buy Tilray at $730? Which one would you get into, guys? Those are literally the 4 different options that I'm looking at. I'm thinking about dropping $1,000 to $2,000. I would like your opinion in the comments, guys. I really have a good eye on Tilray. I'm thinking maybe Tilray. I do have a good position in Robinhood. I'd like to add some Tilray, and I'd like to diversify a little bit. I think it would just be smart to diversify, not put it all on Robinhood. And also, I'm looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum because I do think that long term that's a really safe investment. Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I really think that the bounce back will be really short, really soon. And I'd just like to diversify. So I need more Ethereum. I would like to own more Ethereum. I would like to own more Bitcoin. I really think that Tilray and Robinhood are at an ultimate buying price right now. So drop down in the comments, out of all 4 picks, what would be your number 1, your number 2, your number 3, your number 4, and also why. It would help me have your little opinion. Guys, happy investing. Happy investing. Let's hang in there. Things are not that bad. Could be worse. And guys, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I'm out.